how to move Google Photos to SD card on Android. So if you want to move your Google Photos to your SD card on your Android, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google Photos application and make sure to just download the photo that you would like to save to your SD card. So you just need to simply go with the image and swipe up. And here, if you have an option of download, you just need to simply go and download, which will be right here. In my case, I've already downloaded it and it says delete from device, which means I've already downloaded it. Once you've downloaded, what you need to do, here you need to go with details, which is on the bottom. And if it says on device, which means on device storage, then it means that you've saved that on your device. Now, once you've done that, it says it is on storage emulated 0 DCIM camera. So you just need to simply go with your folder, like files application, go with your files, and under files you need to go with internal storage. Under your internal storage, go with DCIM. Then you can simply go with the location of the file and you can open up the file that you would like to send to your SD card. In my case, I'll be just going with the images section and I'll just choose an image. Once you choose the image, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3 dots, and then tap on move to. And here you need to just scroll down and here you will find an option of SD card folder. But if you don't find the SD card folder, that means you don't have an SD card. But if you have SD card on your device, then you just need to simply tap on the SD card folder. And once you tap on SD card folder, then it will be moved to the SD card folder. So that's how you can move your Google Photos to your SD card on your Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.